So this is my Cadence Virtuoso window. Click on File, New, then Library. Name your library anything, for example CMOS analog tute. Make sure that this is checked. Attached to existing technology libraries. Click on Apply. Attached to CMOS 065. OK. Then again OK. Again click on File. This time click on Cell View. Change the library to analog CMOS tute. I am trying to find the DC operating point for a voltage divider circuit. So name it voltage divider DC OP. DC stand for DC and operating point. Okay. Now a schematic window will pop up. Either click on this create instance or press I on the keyboard. Go to browse. Search analog lib. Search analog lib. Click on close. The directory will be loaded. To instantiate a resistance, type RES. You can change the value of the resistance. By default, the value of the resistance is in ohms. So this will indicate 2 ohms and this will indicate 2 kilo ohms and this will indicate 2 mega ohms. So for this example, I am taking 2 kilo ohms. Press hide. Instantiate the resistor. I would recommend to you that you should use the R shortcut on the keyboard. Press R to rotate the resistor, then press escape, then again click on create instance. Wait until the pop-up arrives. Here. Type VDC, that is voltage source DC. Take an example as 5 volts. The default unit is volt. Press escape. Again press W for wire. Make the proper interconnection between the components. Press escape. Again press I. Search for GND. That is my ground. Press hide. Connect the ground appropriately to the circuit. Press escape. Now check and save my circuit. There is no issue in my circuit, so I would go to launch ADEL. Click on session to obtain a license. Again. Now go to analysis. Go to analysis, click choose DC analysis, click on save DC operating point. Make sure that this enabled is checked. Unless and until you will select this option save DC point, you cannot view your current and voltages and power of a particular component. Click on apply, press OK, go to simulation, click netlist and run. Now my simulation is done. Click result bar. You can see that there is no error in my simulation. Now you can minimize this Spectre window, click on result browser. You will find few options here: DC op, DC operating point. Double click on DC operating point info. Maximize this. You will find all the components used in your circuit. Click on a particular component to view its power, current and voltage across it. You can see we took a value of 2000 ohms. The current is 1.25 milliampere. The power is 3.125 milliwatt, and the voltage across the component is 2.5. Similarly for R1, the values will be same, and for VO also we can see, and we can see that the power is correct, that the voltage source is supplying the power twice that is supplied to a resistor. So my analysis is correct. Now if this result window does not appear, again go to the ADL window, click on results, click on print, click on DC operating points. Now click any component you want to obtain the DC operating point of. A result display window will appear and you can see the voltage, the value of the resistor, the power and the current through it. Similarly, if I minimize this and select my voltage source, you can see I obtain the results. Now this is how you find the DC operating point of a very simple circuit. Thank you.